Alright guys, my guys could not actually do this back window because it involves different type of skills, a set of skills. 1976 Camaro, Smokey and the Bandit kind of a car. We're gonna do it wet. I'm gonna have to do it wet. They pulled me out of retirement real quick because they couldn't complete this task 2 times and they couldn't do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. We're gonna do it wet. I threw some of the fingers on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and kind of like a funnel pocket shrink, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the top area after we slide it down. So it's kind of like a process, but just to show you a little bit of what I'm doing. This other side I had already done, you know, but this one I'm barely doing. So after you go ahead and cut the bottom and then slide it up about 1/2 inch, distribute the fingers, half of the fingers down, half of the fingers up. So let me go ahead and continue doing the top portion now. Alright guys, I already done all the bottom heat shrinking. I went ahead and pushed it on down about 1 inch over the bottom, and then I trimmed the top and I left a small gap, probably 1/2 inch. So now all the fingers, the rest of the fingers, the other half of the fingers are going to be at the top, there and over there. And I'm going to go ahead and kill those, you know, wet shrinking. This right here is going to go down, you know, just laying it on the inside, it's going to go down. There's no fingers here and whatever, just from my experience of applying so many years. After I cut all this wing off and everything on the bottom, then it should all come together. Right here is the only thing that I have to worry about. So just sit and watch this little deal real quick. First task. That side's done. Let's do the other one. Let's roll. "34 years accumulated experience." Yes, sir. Okay, every inch of this back window of 1976 Camaro is heat shrunk. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size and clean it and lay it. Yes, I know the film goes on the inside. So that's pretty much the idea. It's already heat shrunk. It's a damn process. It's difficult. It's never been easy. And that's why a lot of people charge $550 for a car like this, because it takes a long time to do correctly. But my guys couldn't do it, so now I'm here after hours doing nothing but recording and doing this stuff just for you. Okay, let's finish off this side, just cutting and making it kind of fit to size. Hold on. Okay, the reason we charge so much money for these damn cars is not so much because we want to or whatever. After all this process has been done, I have to take this pattern on the inside and recut it, because I don't know if you guys understand glass geometry and stuff, but this big curve on both sides of the window, kind of like a racetrack. This glass is a lot bigger as far as film area on the outside, on the inside. So if I pre-cut, take it inside, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna be large, contamination on the sides, trying to cut Mickey Mouse, all that shit. So no, I'm gonna take it on the inside with a liner, pre-cut it, then apply it. Then I already talked to the customer to hide some of imperfections on the bottom, because I don't wanna take all the tar off. We are gonna put some black vinyl tape, about probably 1/2 inch, all the way around. All the way around here, all the way around the car, so that it looks more like factory, so it looks good. We don't want to see the defroster welds on the side that we typically see, or the tar on the top or tar on the bottom. Anyway, it's been a great time here. Thank you guys.